Now, let me carefully explain how to create a two-colored text in InShot on your phone, step by step, for a stunning effect. First, let's open InShot and carefully add your video or photo that you want to work on for this project, where we will perform this procedure. For example, we have opened our video or photo, as you can see here. Now that it's added to the timeline, let's click on the text, and after that, we will proceed to edit it carefully. We click on the text again, and now we must enter something here, as you can see clearly. Let's type something here. For example, we wrote a word, and now we will proceed further. We need to create a two-colored text. How is this done? It's actually very easy and straightforward, as you can see. It's simple. Now, let's click on the big letter A. Here, as you can see, we can choose any color we like for our text. You can also, for instance, select these three words where you have written the text, as you can see, to customize your design further. You've selected them, now go right here, and you can do it again. We've chosen them, and after this step, we can easily customize our text further, making it look just how we want it. Now let's move to this section where we can easily select the two-color text option, as you can see here. There are many options available, not just two colors but also various text styles for everyone. Thank you for watching this video, wishing everyone good luck and a warm goodbye to all. Bye.